Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? The Crate. Great. S plus cape. Escape. The Great Escape. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The gentleman on my left was with us on yesterday's program. He picked up some designer sunglasses. He won them, as a matter of fact. His name is David McGill. Welcome back, David. San Diego, that's where you're from?
Correct.
Are you at school still?
Yeah, I'm studying radiology at UCLA and CSUN right now.
I see. CSUN.
Cal State Northridge.
Cal State University, Northridge. And you're going to graduate how soon?
And 91.
91. Okay, good luck to you there, and
Thanks
good luck to you on the program today against this newcomer, Nina Moores.
Yes.
Hiya, Nina.
Hi, Alex.
Pleasure meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Originally from Chicago, Illinois, now from Southern California.
What do you do?
I am a homemaker. I'm a mom of 3.
Mom of 3? Gosh, you look so young. How old are the kids? They got to be little ones.
5, 3, and 1.
Which one gives you the most trouble? What's the most difficult age? Terrible twos?
I'm not going to say because they'll watch the show.
Well, there, but the 1-year-old's going to have trouble figuring out what's going on,
he would.
though.
No, he's a little peach.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Good
They're all
luck.
wonderful.
Good luck to you. Well, that's a nice attitude. Here is one of the prizes, actually 2 prizes that you and David are competing for.
Venrus ladies and gents gold tone watches, basket weave bracelet, diamond dial, precision quartz movement never needs winding, furnished by Venrus. Alex.
Beautiful his and her watches, and we'll show Nina and David where they can be found on the board, hiding behind number 8. We also have a holiday in Hawaii. Would you like to get away from those wonderful kids for just a little while?
I would love to go to Hawaii.
All right, go to work. You make 2 selections, Nina.
Okay, I'd like to start with number 12, please.
Good place. Green take.
Take, that would be good to have, and 18 to match.
18 to match? No, we have a pair of table lamps there. David McGill?
Okay, number 14.
Air conditioner?
Air conditioner. And number 21.
There's a match. And it's a natural. Yeah. How about that, David? Prize in your column and a look at the puzzle. Select again.
Number 18.
Pair of table lamps.
Pair of table lamps. Number 10 for a wild or a natural match.
Yes. Lucked out on that one, didn't he, Nina?
All right, Dave.
The other lamps are at number 9. 3 more doors. Open them up for David McGill.
Nothing yet.
Select.
Let's go bottom right with number 25.
An antique library globe.
And opposite corner with number 1.
Red tape. No match. Nina.
Okay, number 6, please.
There's a wild card for you.
Okay, I'm just going to go fishing around for that trip, and 16 will be it.
Living room
Living room.
ensemble.
Oh, that'd be great.
The other living room ensemble on the board at number 15.
Neat furniture for kids.
Yeah, I know. There's the living room ensemble up there, Nina. And now take a look at the puzzle. Select again.
Okay, number 2.
Antique library
And
globe.
the match is 25.
Is it? Yes. Well done. Another prize, another look. Select.
Okay, we need to see number 4, please.
Wild card again.
And how about number 8 for those watches?
The diamond watches are there. The other diamond watches are on the bottom line at number 24. Living room ensemble, library globe, his and her diamond watches. Some good prizes up there, Nina. Take a close look at this puzzle. Tell me if you can solve it. Pick again.
Okay, number 3, please.
Bakery bread maker.
All right, we haven't seen that. And we also haven't seen 20 for the match.
Electric guitar. So the string is broken for you, and so we move to David.
Can we see number 7?
Kona, Hawaii.
Show me number 23, please.
Show me. A bakery bread maker. Nina.
A break for
What
me.
will we show you?
Number 3.
Bakery bread maker.
Yes, and 23 for the match.
Same column, top and bottom. What will this do to help Nina solve the puzzle? Go again.
Okay, 17, please.
Red take.
Oh, we saw red take number 1.
Yes. Here it is.
Okay.
He's got the air conditioner and the crystal table lamps.
I
Wanna wait?
think so.
All right. Open them. Pick again.
Okay, 13.
Electric guitar.
Oh, did we see that at 7?
No, that's Kona, Hawaii.
Break for David.
That's a break for David, but you've got this take, and that may work out well for you in a little bit. David?
Can I see number 20?
Sure. That's the electric guitar.
And number 13?
That's the other electric guitar. Open it up.
Billiard table.
Billiard table, he says. Oh, you knew it a little while ago? And you were going to take some chances and try to make more matches and go for the Hawaii trip?
I was scared. I didn't know where Hawaii was. I had no chance.
Well, let's go to the board. Worked out. You got yourself some prizes, and you get another chance at the cars, David. That's good.
Okay, we have billiard table. We have the bird's bill and 36 inches. You know is a yard. Billiard, billiard. T plus Abe and the bull. Billiard table.
You do that well. You can also play the game well. Nina, that's one strike against you only, so you'll get to play in our next game. But for the moment, we'll take you off stage. And while we're doing that, we will show David his prizes, what he has just won in this first match today. Gene.
Hey,
An electric guitar, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select an electric guitar or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores. Furnished by Service Merchandise, and an air conditioner. The Cold Wave portable personal cooler rolls into any room, just plug it in. It's windowless and is designed to provide dehumidified air conditioning in minutes. Furnished by Cold Wave, and a pair of lamps. Part of Miller's Imports Armani designer table lamp collection, handcrafted in Italy. Marble platform on wooden base and handmade silk shades. Quality and elegance furnished by Miller Imports.
And not only that, David's going to try to win a brand new car with 40 seconds on the clock when we come back following these messages. It's the time on the program today, which was not the case yesterday. So I'm going to run down the list of names for you. I want those names to be fresh in your mind when you start making your selections. You could wind up winning this red one on the bottom. That's the Hyundai Excel, followed by the Daihatsu Charade, the Nissan Sentra, Honda Civic comes next, then the Pontiac Le Mans, the Ford Festiva, the Mitsubishi Prius, and finally the Volkswagen Fox. Got those names?
Got it.
All right, here are the 15 numbered squares for you, and we've added 5 seconds to the clock, so you have a full 40 seconds to win a car. Good luck, off you go.
1, 2,
No,
3, 4,
no,
5, 6,
no,
3, 6,
yes,
7, 8,
no,
5, 7,
yes,
9, 10,
no,
1, 9,
right,
11, 10,
no,
2, 11,
yes,
12, 13,
no,
4, 12,
right,
15, 13,
no,
10, 14,
no,
15, 10,
yes,
8, 13,
no.
8, 14.
I think you made your selection before the clock went to zero. So we're going to check it. My eyesight is 20/20. Our producer is checking it right now with the booth. My eyesight is 20/20, and I say he made the selection in time. We're going to do a quick check. This is suspense. We'll take a break. We'll come back and let him know if he's won the car after this. Welcome back, folks. We've got some bad news and some good news for David. The bad news is we have to say goodbye to him. The good news is we're saying goodbye because he won the car. He selected those last two numbers before the clock went to zero. Congratulations. Here's what you get, by the way, Gene.
David, you've just won this Mitsubishi Prius 3-door hatchback. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and rack and pinion steering, furnished by Mitsubishi. A prize worth over $6,400.
That means that you picked up a quick $8,277 today. Congratulations to you, David. Nice having you with us on the program. Let's bring out two more players and start another game here on Classic Concentration. Go on. Well, Nina stays with us, of course, and we welcome this newcomer, the young man on my left, Scott Lane. Hiya, Scott. Welcome aboard. You've been waiting a long time to get out here, haven't you?
Long time.
You ready for it?
I'm ready.
Eager to play?
Eager to play.
Ready to win? You're ready to win all these wonderful things. Nina, same for you?
Yes.
You've got one strike against you, though,
know.
so this is a touchy game for you. You don't want to lose that.
No.
Take a look over here. Something for the home. One of the prizes in game 2.
Spoon slots and room for plate display make this Colonial Heirlooms Norwich Spoon Hutch a great addition to any dining room. Hand-carved doors hide ample storage areas furnished by Colonial Heirlooms. Alex.
And that can be found on the board right here. Number 15. We have just the one wild card in this game, Scott, but we have $600 in the cash pot, and we have a holiday in San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Ooh, yeah.
And you get to pick first.
Okay, Alex, let me try to open up the board and see what's behind number 11.
Tropical San Juan vacation.
Great.
Good start there.
Let's try for match or wild card under number 1, please.
No camping equipment. Nina, over to you.
Okay. Number 12, please.
Luggage.
And 8 for the match.
No crystal vase and bowl.
Let's see what's under number 4, please.
Tropical San Juan.
Oh, yes. We'll go for match under number 11.
Yeah.
Number 11 is the first match, and it's a biggie. Beautiful holiday in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Open it up. Pick again.
Number 2, please.
There you go. There's the wild card, the only one in the game. Put it to good use.
Well, let's see. I'd like to take that Colonial Hutch under number 15, please. Great at my parents' house.
Good prize. Nice of you to think of your parents at this time. The other Colonial Hutch on the bottom line at number 23, and that means 3 panels are opening up for you, Scott. I know it's still very early, but check this puzzle out. Pick again.
7, please.
Shower massager.
I like showering, so let's try number 14 for a match.
Good thinking. Camping equipment, no match. Nina.
Okay, we haven't seen 19. 19, please.
Dining room set.
Dining set, and right below it for the match, 24.
Is it there, we hope? No, that's the $600 we have in our cash pot. Scott Lane.
Okay, I think I have a match for that camping equipment. Let's see what's behind number 1, please.
Camping
And number
equipment.
14 for the match.
You remembered. Nina didn't. Obviously, Nina's not into camping all that much. It may work out for her. Open these 2 panels for Scott Lane. Select again.
Number 20, please. Well, let's see if we can find a match under number 22.
No, green take. Over to
That
Nina.
would be nice to get that green take. 21, please.
Cash pot.
And we saw that at, 19.
Was it 19?
Oh.
No, Nina. No, Nina.
Alex.
Oh, let's see if
Scott.
we make a match. Number 24, please.
Yeah.
And number
That's it.
21 for the match.
24 and 21. That's a match in the cash pot and a $600 cash possibility for Scott Lane. He's got a lot of great prizes up there already. Open these 2 panels for him.
See what's behind number 9, please.
Diamond pearl earrings.
I got a girl that would love them. Let's see if we can find a match under number 25.
Dining room set.
Rat.
No match. Rat, yes.
All right.
Nina, over to you.
Okay, was the dining set 19, or am I a total blank here?
Yes.
Okay, and 25 for the
Hey, you made a match. How about that? Isn't that good? Should make you feel very good. Particularly since there's a fair amount of this puzzle showing, and it looks as if we're about to reveal something good. Let's see.
Gotta have that.
Pick again.
Okay, 3.
Toaster
and
oven.
we saw that toaster oven. Was it 20? Yeah.
Toaster oven. 2 in a row for Nina. She's on the roll. Show her.
2s, please.
Is it 2s, please? No, it is not. Pick again.
Okay, number 5, please.
Luggage.
And was that 12 for the match?
Luggage. That is a match. All right, Nina, that's 3 in a row for you now. See what happens with the puzzle as we open these 2 doors.
Pairs, please.
Is it pairs, please? No. Go again.
Okay, 18.
Red take.
All right, we saw that take, I think. 17 for the match?
No.
No, it was a green take.
The green one. Scott, over to you.
That's some help. I'd like to see what's behind number 22, please. And number
Green.
17 right above for the match.
There's a match. There's the tape. Dining room set, luggage, toaster oven and broiler.
I want to protect San Juan, if I may.
Good for you.
Okay.
The Puerto Ricans will love you for that, protecting San Juan. Open these 2 panels.
Twos, please.
Is it 2s, please? No. Ooh, there's the bell. All right, hands on your signaling buttons, players. You're free to ring in, as you know, when the little green light comes on over there, and it comes on when we reveal number 6, then 7, 8. Oh, Nina's in first.
Hearts 2, please.
Is it hearts 2, please? No, it is not. Scott?
Oh, I know.
Scott, take a look at the puzzle and see if you can solve it. You may still be alive, Nina.
Is it hard to please?
He said hard to please, so he corrected himself. Is it hard to please? Yes, it is. Nina. Heartbreak. Scott, let's go to the board. Let's go to the board. Whoa! Hey! You're having trouble with your microphone today.
What is this?
Just hold on to that in your left hand.
Okay, I had a trouble with these 2 cards. I thought it was deuces or hearts. But we had the heart, which is hard, and the 2, which is hard too, and the P plus the lees is hard to please.
Hard to please. Good solution, and it was hard to come up with that solution. If it weren't for Nina, Nina was all around it and just couldn't make it. And that's 2 strikes against you, Nina. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
We'll have to say goodbye, but thank you for being with us on Classic.
Thank you, Alex.
Goodbye.
I'm going to San Juan.
You're going to San Juan, and you've got some other prizes to enjoy also. Gene, tell them.
A cash pot worth $600 and camping equipment. Academy Broadway products designed for carefree outdoor fun includes dome tent, nylon sleeping bags, double wide air mattress, and travel packs furnished by Academy Broadway and Tropical San Juan. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding. And while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Condado Plaza Hotel and Casino, oceanfront center of Caribbean romance and excitement. Restaurants, entertainment, disco, tennis, water sports, and 4 pools. Minutes from Old San Juan, furnished by the Condado Plaza. And, of course, the lovely Colonial Hutch. And, Scott, this prize package is worth a hefty number, $6,062.
You bet it's a hefty number. Great way to start. We'll be back to play the car round right after this. All right, Scott, let's do it. Go for it. You're going to need a little bit of luck because you're dealing with base time. 15 numbered squares, 35 seconds on the clock. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No again.
7, 9.
No.
6, 10.
No.
12, 13.
No.
4, 14.
No.
3, 10.
No.
15, 2.
No.
1, 12.
No.
11, 5,
No.
8, 7.
No, but are you having a good time?
I'm having a great time.
Good. You've got $6,000 in prizes. Enjoy that thought, and we'll bring you back to play in our next game. Right now, we'll hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Perone presents their truffles and other hand-dipped pure fresh chocolates for an exquisite dessert, a wonderful gift. These delectable chocolates are elegantly packaged and furnished by Perone Chocolatier. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
A lovely surprise for you on tomorrow's program. See you then.
Bye.
Speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.